Welcome back to my channel, Jay's Amazing World. Today I'm going to show you a black ant and a red ant are fighting. See, now I have to be very careful not to step on any ant. This is an amazing war between the black ants and red ants. Black ants are this big and the red ants are only this big. The black ants are non-veg, but these red ants are eating fruits are on the trees. Now let us see. See, a new battalion is coming to fight the red ants. See how big these black ants are. Now let us see the red ants. See how the war is going. How many red ants are dead? See, you are thinking all of that is just mud. No, they are red ants. See over there? See, black ants are dying, red ants are dying.
Oh my.
How is it? See how many red ants and black ants have died in the war. See?
Unbelievable.
How is it? Look. I think these black ants are fighting for an amazing jamun tree. The red ants are fighting. This black ants should not take the jamun tree. See? See? The red ants are living peacefully in an amazing white jamun tree. But suddenly, the war started today morning and the black ants are dying. Red ants are also dying. We don't know why they are fighting. And we don't know even from where the black ants are coming also. The black ants are coming in a big groups. How is the war? Be careful with ants. Do not step on any ants. See? The black ants are coming from somewhere here. You can't understand from where they are coming. See? Black ants. See? A new battalion is coming. Now so many red ants are going to die. See? I think they're coming from that big rock. No. They're coming from a big oak tree. See there? See there? See? See now, look at here. Look at there. See? How many black ants are coming? The black ants are taking their red ants to their colony.
Wow, it is unbelievable. Do you like it? Do you like the video? See, the red ant is fighting the black ant, but nothing is happening to the black ant. So, see, how is it? See, the black ants are killing red ants. Unbelievable. Okay, how was the video? Do you like it? Another battalion is coming. One black ant is surrounded with so many red ants. But see how the red ants and black ants are fighting. See how dangerous it is. Can you believe it?
The next video. Who will win the war? The red ants or the black ants? Nobody knows. We have to wait till the war ends. When will the war end? That also nobody knows. It will end after 1 day or after 2 days. I don't know. But till the war ends, I will be eating my amazing lollipop.